Hello and welcome to this daily t-shirt design tutorial. My name is David Oisamoje. This is a Canva t-shirt design tutorial. So without wasting much time, I'm going to go straight right to it. But before I go straight right to it, I want to say thank you to my fellow new subscribers. You guys have been amazing. I really appreciate you guys. If you guys can see your name on the screen while over my mouse around it, I really appreciate you guys. You guys have been amazing. Alex, Fredozo, Alex, Simon, you guys can just see your name. Sorry if I don't pronounce it correctly, but I really appreciate you guys. You guys have been amazing. Thank you for you guys. You guys have been making us grow. We're at about 370. I know we're going to grow sooner or later. So I really appreciate you guys. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight right to it. We're going to be using canva.com for this design because you guys say it's easier for you guys, easier to get by. But remember, there's a link in the description, the first link in the description. Make sure you click that link to get Canva Pro because you need it for your t-shirt designs. You need it for any of your design whatsoever. If you believe Canva Pro is easier for you, please get it and check the first link in the description. So let's click on create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. So pixel. Create your design. So it's going to open on a new tab. We are getting to the end. Of this thing that started in January, and I'm happy you guys have been with me. I've not had issues, no bad information from you guys yet, and I'm super happy. And I just wanted to do a follow-up for this design with a different saying. So this is something I just want to do in this video. So let's just go to upload and just find design. This is it. So I'm going to click on it. So this is it. So it's just going to be this. And I'm going to go to text. I'm going to go to text. I'm going to find a good font. Let me find a good font we can use for this design. So this is where you find your font under text. You just scroll. I think I like this. I've not seen it in a while. Remember, as you can see, these are free fonts, so you can use them for your designs. Don't be scared of copyright issue or anything. You are covered under canva.com laws. But remember, if you need it without the white background like you see here, remember you have to get Canva Pro. So with that you have to get in the first link in the description. Just check the first link in the description immediately after this video and you'll get the link. Subscribe, sign up with that link, and you'll get a 30-day free pass on Canva Pro. On me, it's that simple. So use it to make your designs. You can use it for any design you want, but since we are using it to make passive income here, t-shirt design, strictly t-shirt design, please make sure you use that link because you don't want to always make your designs in white background. You want to be able to make your designs in different colors, so it's advisable you use that. So now let's increase this. We just over our mouse to that edge, over our mouse to this edge, and increase that like so, just like so. So we have it like that. So now I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna ungroup these two layers. So now we have that ungrouped. So I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna delete that. So this is the one I want to use. So I'm gonna double tap, Ctrl A. So this one is gonna say Survivor. So as simple as that. So now we're just going to make it bigger by hovering our mouse to this edge. Once you hover your mouse to this edge, press down your left mouse click button and drag your mouse outward to get that. So now that we have that, we'll just make sure we position it back into the frame. So we make it bigger because I want it bigger. Yes, we should be proud of surviving this issue. We should be super proud. So I'm going to make it super big to show that we're all proud of this. If you are proud of this, make sure you hit the like button. Hit the like button on this. So now that we have that, Obviously we don't want it on black, so we're going to go to this A text color, and we're just going to pick a color from here. As you can see, based on our design, it has given us a color palette to pick from, so we'll just pick from this color palette. You can decide to pick any one of these color palettes. So I'm going to use this. So now that we have this all set out, the next thing we want to do is to download it. Remember, with downloading this, as you can see, we obviously can't use the transparent background. Normally, if you're on the pro version, you will just click on this and to remove the white background. But you can see, if you're not on the pro version, you can't. So please check the first link in the description to get this for yourself. So now let's just click on download. It's going to prepare our downloads. Once our download is prepared, it's going to download and we are good to go. So this is it. It's downloading. Show folder. And see, we have it. If you double tap, as simple as that. It didn't take us much time to do this, about 6 minutes to get this done, and we are good to go. So that's basically all you need to do. Now the next step is for you to upload it on all sites for passive income: Teespring, TeePublic, Redbubble, Match by Amazon. If you're on Match by Amazon, upload it to this site. Make about 10 designs, different designs with different saying: survivor, believer, whatever it is, any word related to survivor. So as long as it's conquering this word on top, you are good to go. Make these designs daily and you're good to go. Remember, you need to get Canva Pro so that you can get this white background off, and to do that you can get it with my link. With my link you get 30 days free, and I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys on tomorrow's video. Stay safe.